What is going on, YouTube? We are checking out a new band on the channel tonight. This band is called Drugs, which is short for Destroy, Rebuild Until God Shows. I've actually heard a couple of tracks from this band way long ago, but I haven't tuned in anytime recent. And this is actually a brand new release called Destiny. So I'm super excited to hop back in here, see, get kind of like a refresher on the band. It might sound completely different. I only remember like one song, Mr. Owl Ate My Metal Worm or something like that. But nonetheless, I'm super excited to check out something new. We have some tier 3 patrons. We've got Austin, Charles, Ian, J. Alexander, James, Marissa, Matthew, Octavia, Zachary, and Levi. Thank you guys so very much. Dude, I'm ready. Let's get right into it. Whoa. Bow. They're hyping. Oh, this is Craig from Chiodos on the vocals. Ooh. That sounds amazing. Whoa. Some ambience back there. I like the riff, it's pretty simple. Very nice. The drummer is popping off though. That bass is funky. Gosh, so fast. Such a nice moving chorus. I love when that ambient lead comes in. Some screams. Disgusting. Oh. Yeah. Crank it. Dude, that is crazy. That is so crazy. I love that. When I wake up, dude, that's so catchy. It's so catchy. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Oh my goodness. Dude, not at all what I remember, but that was absolutely amazing. Well, there we have it, guys. That was Destroy, Rebuild Until God Shows with their latest release, Destiny. It was a freaking jam. Absolutely loved it. Again, I dabbled in this band a long time ago. It's probably been like 10 years now or something. I heard a handful of songs. Haven't heard anything since. I'm not really sure what the band's been up to, but this was amazing. So if I remember right, the vocalist here, Craig from Chiodos, that guy, dude, amazing cleans, but those screams were really unexpected. They were freaking belting, like sounded freaking amazing. I loved the nice touch of ambient lead guitar in here. The riffs were nice, simple, but very fun. Driving a serious groove drummer was freaking popping off. Bass was very strong in here as well. And then that like piano or something would just randomly come in that I thought sounded really, really cool. A huge blend of a lot of different things that I just thought really, really worked. Definitely curious to hear some more from this band. Again, I don't know what they've been up to since whenever that song came out, the Mr. Owl Ate My Metal Worm. Is that the name of the song? But I'm very curious to listen to some more. And then of course, hopefully with this new release, that means there's some more coming along. So I'm going to be on the lookout for those, of course. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.